Thank you for taking time out of your day to allow me the opportunity to present the products of Pieresearch to you. We make products to keep a reinforcing steel cage centered and off the floor of a drill shaft to ensure proper alignment and concrete cover of the cage in accordance with the engineer's specifications. If you'll think for just a moment, the engineer has spent considerable amount of time designing the drill shaft deep foundation and the components thereof. He's first relied upon the geotechnical report so that he can assess the soil conditions underneath the structure he's going to build. Secondly, taking that into account, he determines the diameter of the shaft, the depth of the shaft. He determines the grade and size of the vertical bars, the number of the vertical bars, the grade and size of the stirrup or circle tie around those vertical bars, and how many of those stirrups he's going to have up and down the cage. Also, the engineer has specified the mixed design of the concrete to be used in the drill shaft. It is generally known that steel is strong in tension and concrete is strong in compression, and it is the marriage of these materials that produce the strength needed to support the structure. The amount of concrete cover between the cage and the sidewall of the shaft serves as a barrier against water migration to the reinforcing steel cage, thus serving as an aid in the prevention of corrosion of the rebar. Keeping in mind the importance of having the cage centered and off the floor of the drill shaft deep foundation, because without proper alignment and concrete cover, the cage cannot perform as the structural engineer intended. It goes without saying that without products such that we make, the cage is not properly centered and is not properly positioned on the floor of the drill shaft. Thus, the cage and the foundation cannot do the job that it was designed to produce. As one structural engineer told me, Stan, you got an access problem. You cannot go back and test or inspect to see if the cage is in the right place. You either do it right the first time or it is simply not done correctly. To achieve those goals, we make 2 products for side alignment and 1 series of products for the bottom. We make 2 versions of our quick lock pier wheel. We make the standard version and also the heavy duty version. The standard version we make in 3 different sizes for varying dimensions of concrete cover. We make an 8-inch wheel for 4 inches of cover. We make a 6-inch wheel for 3 inches of cover. And we make a 4-inch wheel for 2 inches of cover. Our heavy duty wheel we make in dimensions 6 inches of cover all the way down to 2 inches of cover. We make 2 different sizes for 3-inch cover. We make this one, which is a pure 3-inch cover from the inside of the hub to the outside of the tread. We're the only people that make this. And we make the nominal version, nominal 3-inch cover, measuring 2.5 inches from the inside of the hub to the outside of the tread. Our products have a unique one-piece design, so when they are easy to install and when they snap in place, they are positively attached and will not come loose, even in the most rigorous construction applications. We make pier boots in both 3 inches of cover and 6 inches of cover. In marine environments, a lot of times the engineer wants 6 inches of cover for obvious reasons. Ours will fit a number 5 bar all the way up to a number 14 bar. Our products are proudly made in the United States and are shipped from Arlington, Texas. If we receive your order by 1:30 in the afternoon, in most instances, we will ship the same day your order is placed. Thank you for taking time out of your day to view our presentation of Pieresearch products. When a situation arrives in the future that you need alignment product solutions, please contact us. We look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.